I've got a fun one for you all today. Now, imagine the Earth. It's not hard to do. You've got a visual aid all around you. Now, that first part that you see, that's the surface. And you've got all your tectonic plates. Now, you take that away, and what you're left with is a molten layer. You know, it's really hot down there. You've got liquid metals just swirling around. Now, beneath all of this, you have a solid inner core. For some reason, there's a solid mass at the center of the Earth, and it's rotating. Now, it's not rotating with the surface, and that's what makes this special. See, the solid inner core is an oblong shape. It's not actually spherical. Now, what this does is it acts as a mixer. Now, it's in there actually rotating counter to the surface of the Earth. So, woo, it's going, you know, if the surface is going clockwise, this one's going counterclockwise. It's all based around the axis. So at least there's that. Make things slightly more simple. Now, this churning of the molten layer is what's special. See, to produce a magnetic field, a planet must have a molten layer, and that molten layer must be in motion. If you look at Mars, you'll notice that it has molten material within it. Scientists have found that the surface of Mars actually changes its shape. And that means that it's not a solid. So, Mars has this molten component, but there's no magnetic field, so we can safely assume that the molten layers have stagnated. There is no motion of these molten layers. What I'm getting at is that the properties of a planetary magnetic field are reliant upon a solid inner core. Now, this is known as the Dynamo effect, and it all hinges upon this solid inner core being the commutator. You can look up those words, fact check me. That's pretty much all I do. I just go on Google and, you know, like right there, you don't even click a link, you know, it's just like, this is a fact. You know, I've done that a few times and put all these facts together for you, but I encourage you to check them out for yourself.